Hello my learner, I am teacher Jonathan. Welcome to EasyElimu Learning Simplified. In our lesson for today in grade 4 mathematics activities on numbers, we will be reading and writing numbers from 5,000 to 10,000 in symbols. Writing and reading numbers from 5,000 to 10,000 in symbols. And before we embark on this previous lesson, we read and learned how to read and write the same numbers from up to 5,000. We read and write numbers up to 5,000. And in our pairs, I would like us to form numbers using our abacus. And we'll just do it randomly. For example, a number 7. We have number 7, 8, 0, and 3. 7, 8, 0, and 3. 7, 8, 0, and 3. Before we form it in our abacus, we can just put it in number cards so that we may not forget it. We have said we put number 7, 8, 0, and 3. These are the numbers the digit that are formed that number. Digit 7, digit 8, digit 0, and digit 3. When we form, they are formed 7, 8, 0, and 3. So in the place value of 3, of ones, we have 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. So we remove the others. We don't need them. In the place value of 10, we take away everything. So we are left with blank space. In the place value of 100, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we remove the other 2. And in the place value of 1,000, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we remove these ones. That is what we have left with. 7, 8, 0, and 3. This is a number that we have formed just from the number cards and the abacus. Can we form another number? Let us guess a number like 9999. How do we represent it in our abacus? How do we represent it? Remember from our place value chart, we have said it is 999. 99999. So from here we have 9 ones, 9 tens, 9 hundreds, and 9 thousands. So everything is 9. So from my abacus, I will only remove 1 from each part. So I will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In place value of 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In the place value of hundreds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In the place value of thousands, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the number that we have formed on the board is, the first one was 7, 8, 0, 3. And the second one we have formed is 0, 9, 9, 9, 9. Those are the two numbers that we have formed from our digits. You can check it from there. These ones are separators. I have separated them from the main ones to mean now we are emphasizing on these others. Now, from what we have done there, we can write these numbers in symbols or in place value. Can we represent them in the place value? How we did the first one, we said in the place value of 7 of thousands, we have 7 thousands. In the place value of hundreds, we have 8 hundreds. In the place value of tens, we have 0 tens. And in the place value of ones, we have 3 ones. So how do we read this number? We'll read it as follows. 7,000 in the place value of thousands, 803. 7,800, and we will not say 0 tens and 3 ones. 7,803. Can we read together, class? 7,803. That is how we will read that number. So in our groups, can you read for me the next number? How will we read it? In our groups, can we represent this one? In the place value, we have 9 thousands, 9 hundreds, 9 tens, 9 ones. So if we were to read it, how will we read it? It will be 9,999. 9,999. That is how it has been represented from the place value that we have just shown there. Now in our groups, I would like us now we play with our number cards and we form these numbers. And the number cards that I'll give, I only need number 9, number card 9, 7, 2, and 1. From this, I want you to jumble and come up with numbers. We have 9, 7, 2, 2, and 1. These are the number cards that we are using. We have 7, 9, 2, and 1. From these numbers or digits, from these digits, kindly form different numbers. And the first number that you form in our groups, kindly, can we form them? As we jumble them, we love to have 9 is a number, 2 is another number, 7 is another number, and then 1. This is a number we have formed. 9, 2, 7, 1. We have formed a number 9, 2, 7, 1. In your group class, can we read this one? In the place value of thousands, we have 9,000. In the place value of hundreds, we have 200s. In the place value of tens, we have 7 tens. In the place value of ones, we have 1 ones. So how do we read this number? Group, kindly, can you read for us? Join into your group. 9,271. Can we repeat what they have said? 9,271. That is very correct. Another number formed from these digits. Remember, the number that you are forming should start with 9 because it should be above 900, above 5,000. So we have 9, we have 7, we have which other number? 2, and we have 1. That is the number we have formed, the way they appear here. So we have 9, 7, 2, and 1. And then another number we can form, we can still jumble them. We remove this one, we input this one, and we have that one. That one will be 9, 1, 9, 1, 2, and 7. And the last number we can form, we still continue to jumble them like this. So we'll have the last one will be 9, 7, 1, and 2. These are the 4 numbers that we have formed from these digits. Now, can we read them? Can we read them in our groups? Can we read them? Victoria, in your group, can you read the second one? 9,721. Can we repeat correct? 9,721. That is correct. Wow. Tom and your group, can you read this other number formed? 9,127. Can we repeat what Tom has said? 9,127. That is very correct. Wangari and your group, the last number that has been formed from the combination of the digits, 9,712. 9,712. That is still very, very correct. Now, I can see you are doing well. Can we tackle this task for us to do? Our task now for us to do, we can rewrite in symbols and read. Write in symbols and read the following. Write in symbols and read. What are you writing in symbols and read? You are writing 6,000s, 6,000s, we have 800s, we have 9 tens and 7 ones. That is number 1 that we are doing. Number 2, now in group of 4s, kindly in group of 4s, read each of the following numbers. In group of 4s, kindly class, we arrange ourselves, we group ourselves in 4s and read the following numbers. The first number we are going to read is 5, 2, 7, 2. After you read that one, you can also read 6, 7, 3, 9. You can also read 7, 9, 9, 9, and the last one will be 10,000. These we are reading and writing. We are writing in symbols and read this one, and the second one now we are reading them. This is our task for us for today that I would like us we tackle them. Class, when you go home, kindly rewrite the numbers. Any digits you come up with, form numbers for up to 500, up to 10,000. You can start from the previous lesson from up to 5,000, then you continue up to 10,000. Come up with as many numbers as you can from the digits that you will have, and then read them and write them in symbols. Read them and write them in symbols. That marks the end of our lesson.